demonstration on the 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This is the 3-inch baby foot, and it consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a plunger. And the plunger has a design on it. So we're going to start by taking our outside shell and placing it on top of our bottom plate, and we're just going to start filling. Give it some shakes, and now I'm going to do a couple little presses around the toes so that I can make sure that the details come out on the top of that mold too once we start pressing. Just one gentle little tap with your finger, that's all it takes. Shake your bath bomb mix, make sure it gets down into all those cracks and crevices. Take your plunger, and we're going to do it face down. The design is going to go face down. Stick that right on top of your mold and start pressing. And give it a turn. Every time you press, give it a little turn so that everything gets uniformly packed. All right, take your spoon and gentle taps around the outside shell. Some taps on the top of the plunger. Turn it upside down. You usually don't have to do any taps on the bottom plate, but if you want to, just do some gentle taps around the outside ridge. Lift straight up with your bottom plate. And now we're going to put our fingers underneath and thumbs on top, and we're going to push up on the plunger with our fingers. And you may have to move your fingers around the mold a little bit as you're pushing. Just take your time. Alright, grab your piece of cardboard and lay it on the top of your bath bomb and turn the entire situation over. And we're going to lift straight up with our plunger. And there you have a very, very cute little baby foot. That is the 3-inch baby foot 3D mold from the Maker Shop. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so that you can purchase this and any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.